Hi, welcome to my class. My name is Jay Navik and my qualification BSc Mathematics and MSc Mathematics from BHU. Today I am going to discuss a new chapter of class 10, which is trigonometry with you. Let's see trigonometry. What is trigonometry? Let's see what is trigonometry. It is a branch of mathematics that provide relation between side and angles in the triangles. यह क्या है? एक मैथमेटिक्स का ब्रांच है. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री जो है वह क्या है? एक मैथमेटिक्स का ब्रांच है जो शो करता है रिलेशन बिटवीन साइड एंड एंगल के. एंगल और साइड के बीच के रिलेशन को शो करता है, दिखाता है. ठीक. अब लेट्स सी trigonometry word. Where is trigonometry word? Trigonometry word is a Greek word. Trigonometry word is a Greek word, not Indian word, not English word, not Hindi word, not American word. This is a Greek word which is made of three words. First, tri and con and metron. हाँ, मेट्री यार, मेट्रॉन बोल सकते हो. ट्राई मीन्स थ्री, कॉन मीन्स साइड and metron means measure. In fact, we have to measure. Three sides of triangle. Or we say that we have discussed about triangle with included three sides. Next topic, introduction of trigonometry. Introduction of trigonometry. You have already studied about triangle and right triangle in your earlier classes. आप पिछली कक्षाओं में ट्रायंगल और राइट ट्रायंगल के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं, लाइक 9th, 8th, 6th, 7th में ट्रायंगल और राइट ट्रायंगल के बारे में पढ़ चुके हैं. Here we have study about right triangle. हम यहाँ कहाँ क्या पढ़ेंगे? राइट ट्रायंगल के बारे में. ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में हम कहाँ पढ़ेंगे? केवल राइट ट्रायंगल. Only on discuss about right triangle. Here we have studied about right triangles. Let us take some example where right triangle can be formed. Take first example. Suppose a student is visiting Qutub Minar. Suppose a student is visiting Qutub Minar. Now, if a student is looking at the top of Minar, that student is looking at the top of Minar, then here a right triangle can be formed this type. A right triangle can be formed this type. This is amazing point is that here by using trigonometry, we find the height of Qutub Minar without climbing on it. यहाँ आश्चर्यजनक बात ये क्या है, सरप्राइज्ड पॉइंट क्या है? सरप्राइज पॉइंट इज दैट कि हम कुतुब मीनार पे बिना चढ़े, बिना उसको नापे, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का यूज करके उसकी हाइट को फाइंड कर सकते हैं। नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल, टेक नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल ऑफ ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। suppose a girl sitting on the balcony of her house. सपोज करते हैं एक गर्ल है, वह बैठी हुई है अपनी बालकनी में ऑफ हर हाउस। सपोज a girl is sitting on the balcony of her house which is located on the bank of river। जो कि लोकेटेड है बैंक ऑफ रिवर के। इस तरह से एक बैंक ऑफ रिवर है, located on bank of river. She is looking down at a flower. She is looking down at a flower. Here a flower. She is looking at a flower. She is looking down at a flower which is located on the other side bank of river. Other side bank of river, जो दूसरी साइड नदी के situated है। Here right triangle can be formed in this way. Here right triangle can be formed in this way. By using trigonometry, we find the width of river without actually measuring it. Or we can say that हम बिना नदी में गए, बिना नदी पार किए हम क्या करेंगे, नदी की वाइथ को फाइंड कर लेंगे। किससे? बाय यूजिंग ट्रिग्नोमेट्री। नेक्स्ट टॉपिक वी डिस्कस definition of trigonometry ratio. Definition of trigonometry ratio. Oh, let's see the ratio of side of right triangle. Means रेशियो जो होगा राइट ट्रायंगल के, रेशियो ऑफ साइड ऑफ राइट ट्रायंगल विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू इट्स एक्यूट एंगल्स। सपोज करते हैं एक लेते हैं राइट ट्रायंगल, लेट अस ए बी सी, डिनोट ए बी सी। Then trigonometry ratio. What is trigonometry ratio? Ratio of side of right triangle with respect to its acute angle. जो trigonometry ratio होता है वह क्या होता है? रेशियो होता है, किसका रेशियो होता है? साइड का। जो ट्रिग्नोमेट्री होता है रेशियो होता है वह एक रेशियो होता है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री साइड का, लाइक this upon this, this upon this, this upon this, this upon this. So let us consider a right triangle ABC. Here angle B is right angle, and angle A and C is acute angles. Do you know Do you know about acute angles? You study in earlier classes uh, by about acute angles. Then trigonometry ratio with respect to angle A, then trigonometry ratio with respect to angle A, with respect to angle A in triangle ABC are defined as sin A. What is sin A? Here this side is also known as side adjacent to angle A, and other name is base, and this side is also known that side opposite to angle A, and also known as perpendicular. Perpendicular. And the biggest side is known as hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. And in briefly we denote this side is P and this side is B and this side is H, and then sin A is sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. This is equal to P upon H. This is the trigonometry ratio. Cos A is equal to HB upon H, and tan A is equal to P upon B. दिस इज एक ट्रिक है इसका जो कि हम याद कर सकते हैं, पी बी पी अपॉन एच एच बी, साइन कॉस टेन कॉट सेक कोसेक. Now let's see the exercise 8.1 in next classes. So thank you very much.